Hi, I'm Tyler. Before the V-Power device came into my life, I was dealing with a lot of issues like a partially torn rotator cuff, constant inflammation, and pain in my knees and back. It was really affecting my quality of life. Since using the V-Power device, everything for me has completely changed. I now have full range of motion back in my shoulder. My rotator cuff has healed completely without the need for surgery. My inflammation markers are way down, and my knee and back pain are virtually non-existent anymore. It's really helped give me my quality of life back, and I can finally do the things I love again without those pesky aches and pains. I've also found that sharing it with my family and friends has been so easy. They struggle with similar issues, and the V-Power device has really been helping to start improving their lives as well. Plus, it's really been a great way for me to help earn some extra income while helping other people. Honestly, the V-Power device has been a game changer for me and my family. It's so portable and easy to use virtually anywhere. So if you're looking for a way to help improve your health or help someone you care about, I highly recommend giving it a try.